back to my channel. So today we have a special guest here on my channel. So my boyfriend is here today and we will taste Japanese candies that we bought. So we have here a box full of Japanese candy and snacks. So today we will taste that. Okay, so first off we have here these little Pokemon cookies. I really like the packaging of Japanese food items. So you open that up, have a little Pokemon. Look at that. That's so kawaii. Looks good. And there's little Pokemon figures on the cookies. Tastes good.
There's like cream inside of it.
Yeah, so that's very good. There's like a vanilla cream inside. Then we have these little mushrooms, but it's cookies. So we'll taste that. Look how cute this is, you guys. I can't believe how Japanese people, with their snacks and all, they're just so kawaii, you know. Look at that. Tastes just like regular chocolate and biscuit.
Yep.
Nothing fancy on here. So it's just like, it tastes just like a chocolate and a cookie. Tastes nothing else. Okay, so this, I'm really intrigued with this one because it says egg flavor, so maybe it will be disgusting, I have no idea. Ooh! There's little characters on there. I'm like scared to taste that.
Yeah, but I don't know if it's like a pudding or something.
Yeah.
I might need a spoon for that.
I will just like
open one and we'll see.
Ew. Ew. Oh, it tastes sugar. Damn.
Oh, that smells good.
Yeah.
It smells like maple syrup almost.
Yeah. Wicked.
I'll just try yours.
Jelly.
Hate the texture, but the taste is pretty good. Okay. I don't like the texture at all, though.
Oh, it's kind of jelly. Jelly.
No. But it has a very good taste, though. I like the sugary taste in it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's the texture is kind of weird. We have here little peach snacks. So it's a hard candy. And it comes in a little...
cream.
Yeah. So it's a hard candy. So it tastes peach cream, you know, it's very good hard candy. It tastes it doesn't taste cheap, you know.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Okay, so we have here this giant, it's called Caplico. I have no idea what this is, but he's still eating the candy. So we'll open up like this. And, oh damn, it's like a waffle. Kind of good, very sugary. Holy smoke. Very sugary. I don't like it. Too sugary for me.
It's not bad.
Well, you eat it. It's too much sugar for me. Too fake. It's like it tastes too much like a fake strawberry.
Yeah, but it has like a yogurt taste.
Yeah. So we have here little
Pretty good.
Pokemon gummies, and it's all individually packed, you guys. So kawaii. Look at that. Oh,
Mine kind of melted in there.
yeah, me too.
I mean, I don't know if this is supposed to be something.
Yeah, it kind of looks like that, you guys. Very funny. But we'll taste it. Oh, kind of tastes weird.
Feels like I'm eating soap.
Yeah. So here we have little mochi, strawberry, little mochi sweets.
Oh boy, there's something in there.
Yeah.
What is this?
I don't know. It kind of tastes good. It's like the texture that I don't know. I'm not.
I don't know. I don't like this too much.
Kind of tastes like a. Nah, I don't know. I have here. It's a My Melody water bottle, so I'm gonna taste Japanese water, you guys. Don't know if it tastes different from Canadian water, but I really like the bottle, so. Tastes like water.
Yeah, it's water. Water is pretty much.
Tastes like regular water. Kawaii water, you guys. I really like the bottle. That's why I bought it. We have here a little Hello Kitty candy. So we have kiwi flavor, strawberry, and pineapple. Tastes very artificial, very fake. This one is better. The kiwi one is very good. Yeah, not too bad.
Yeah. The kiwi one is
Yeah.
good.
My favorite is the kiwi one. I have here Mario themed gummies. Very kawaii. So, ooh. Oh damn, this smells weird. Whew.
Yeah, let me smell.
Very hard.
I mean, it ain't bad,
I don't know. Tastes weird. I don't like it.
but it tastes like soap.
Yeah.
I don't know. I just find it tastes like soap.
We have here little cheese crackers. So we'll taste that. Oh damn, this smells good.
Ooh, that does smell good.
This is so good, you guys. Wow.
Oh,
if
wow.
you love cheese, you like these. Damn. That's amazing.
Freaking right.
Yeah.
Wow.
I mean, we love cheese, so we approve. We have these here. We have here
Oh, be careful.
little packages. It's all sorts of little candy. Snack bite version. So go taste it all. Kind of little jelly beans. Is it all jelly beans?
No, they're different.
What is this? These ones are not bad. Sweet. These one I really like. Other jelly beans. I'm not too fond of jelly beans. So I don't like these ones. Are a bit weird. This tastes like a lemon. This kind of looks like chocolate. Yeah, these are like Smarties. Okay, so did you like the little boxes?
Yeah, they were pretty good.
So here we have roasted chicken wing Lays. So kind of excited to taste these. Holy smoke, this smells good, you guys.
Oh wow.
Mmm, tastes like, kind of tastes like chicken soup.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's pretty good.
yeah, it tastes like chicken soup. Yeah, not too bad. Then we have this, it's very popular in Japan, these kind of like waffle cakes. So, it tastes just like the other thing that we ate.
Like the fake ice cream cone
Yeah,
type thing. Yeah.
yeah. But this one tastes better. I like more this one, tastes like less fake.
They taste like those small cookies we have, those small rectangle cookies.
Yeah, we have high chews, very very popular in Japan, and it's actually quite good. I know it's going to be good, so. This one is a creamy peach. It's kind of hard on the teeth, but it's quite good. Yeah, I like that. Very good. We have another pack here. This time it's chocolate, I think. So my boyfriend will open up the other thing. So I will. We will try this. So you know, we'll always individually pack. Kind of like the same color as the peach one, but this time it's strawberry. Same consistency. And it tastes like strawberry. So nothing special, just the regular high chew strawberry flavor. Alright, taste this. The strawberry one.
Sure.
So here we have this very cute. I really like the little box of this one here. Oh my god, you guys! It's little tiny chocolate. Tastes good too. So cute. Very good. Tastes like chocolate. Banana choco. Oh, it's like little bananas, but they're like all broke. The coating tastes very banana. I don't like bananas, so it's not very my, don't really like it. And the inside is chocolate. Did you like the little strawberry kawaii one?
Yeah, that was pretty good.
It's very kawaii. Tastes cheap, eh? I think it tastes cheap ass chocolate.
I don't know. It's not too bad.
Here, taste the banana. I think
no.
you would like the banana one. This one tastes like, I think it tastes like coffee. Yeah, tastes a lot like coffee. I don't like it too much. But if you like coffee, you really
I mean, the
like
banana one's not too bad.
You will like this one if you love coffee. Tastes just like coffee.
Well, I love coffee, so.
Yeah, you will like these. We have here vanilla flavored Oreo. I just don't have the original packaging because in the box a drink like was all like exploded in the box and spilled all over. So it tastes, I don't know, because I've eaten so many candy that I'm not sure if it tastes actually different. I think it tastes the same. There's no difference. It says vanilla on the vanilla ice cream, I think. but tastes like the same.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
Really, I kept the best for last. The sushi one. Not sure if I will like it or I will think it will be disgusting. I don't know. Potato chip salmon sushi flavor, you guys. Damn. Let's taste this. So, the chips are in a little bag here. Oh, damn. And we have the wasabi in another pouch. Wasabi powder. Holy smoke. I don't know if I will mix that. It's gonna be hot. Like, we'll taste only the chip here. It's not that bad. No, it's good.
Oh, that's a pretty
Surprisingly,
good.
it's good.
Yeah.
But it smells like, ugh. It smells like fish.
Yeah, the smell is not too appetizing, but the taste is actually pretty good.
Yeah. We'll mix it up with some wasabi, and we'll see the difference of taste. We'll mix it up. And we'll taste it. Oh my god. Ah! Ew. It's disgusting. Don't like it. Tastes too much wasabi. If you like wasabi, you will like it, but I don't know.
Whoa! I mean, the initial taste was pretty strong, but after that, that was a pretty good taste.
So this concludes our tasting. I hope you like my video and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming content. I will be uploading more videos. I will try to upload more videos. So like and subscribe for more content.